What's up? What's good? What's happening? It's your boy Cello. We're gonna rip some 21 contenders today. I mean, I think, you know, probably Trevor Lawrence. See what we're looking for on the... I don't even know. A ticket swatch. What's that other big one? It's the... I don't know. Let's get into it, shall we? No messing around. No dilly-dallying around. Well, we just go ahead and... Want to see my big knife again? One day I'll break out the smaller version. Won't be so excessive. Shoot, look at this. Next time, I might freaking Harry Potter one of these open. Openioso. I might be speaking Spanish, might be speaking Hogwarts. Dang, I forgot to put my mic on, so I'm going straight to the camera speaker. Slacking today, boys and girls. It's alright. Y'all aren't here to see anything else with these cards, so who cares, really? I think that's my motto when I watch videos. Sure, I mean, I like... You know, some of these guys put on a good show, but I really only care about the cards, so... Hopefully I can build up an audience that cares less about what I have to say and more about the cards that I pull. You know the drill. I'm building a rather large random collection. I haven't decided. There's a couple different. I mean, I will make a video with them, but I might just like let them go each year. And then, oh, that one's thick. That's a mem. And then I gotta open them yearly. I think that'd be cool. That'd be a huge. We'll go first one. Oh. It'd be a huge opening, you know, because I keep one from every blaster, and then anything, you know, like these I keep two from. Any hobby stuff I keep 2 packs from, so got a pretty good little thing going. Keep those back there so not to be confused. And 3 minutes in, we're ripping. Not bad. I worked it down from 6, 7, and 8. I don't know if I've ever... I mean, I've opened these in like fat packs and stuff, but I guess we're going to kind of be... I'm just going to keep PC. Good looking card, like the color. We'll go a little quicker because I think we're only worried about big hits. Y'all know what this is. We're a couple years late on it. See, I don't know. You know, I can't see a little color and know. I haven't opened up enough of it. Bit more Mosaic, Prism, Donruss. Power player, Cam Jordan. It's a good looking insert. I think I'll call a victory out of this with, there's one right there. I don't know, each one of these had what, 6? Yeah, 6, and we opened 5, 15. 10. I would say a win for me would be 10 PCs. It doesn't really matter. You know, I'm not... Obviously, we'd like something to strike gold, but whatever. Yeah, 10 PCs would be a win for me. A big bean. And winning ticket. Yeah, I agree with what some people say. These are good-looking cards. Let's see. Which I hope you all don't maybe come in a click. So supernatural. We know it's there. I don't think I PC him. It is growing rather large pretty quick. Once I got away just from, you know, just stuff made a little. Whoa. And there's Mim. Kind of made sense to keep some of the rookie QBs. That's where I get confused. And I know the players that I PC out of just pure love for the game. And then some guys are just there because it makes sense for the long run. Mike Evans, I should start PCing him. I like that dude. Alright, so it's green. Let's see if we can kind of, there we go. I think that worked. The Jets wide receiver. Okay, I thought maybe it was, oh, Sauce is this year, dummy. Who's last year? And I really don't even know. Let's just see. Rookie ticket. Elijah Moore. That's green. Color match. Card's fairly bowed, but all in all, the corners aren't, I mean, completely destroyed. I'll set it with the PC because I actually, part of my collection is cloth. I think I sold one because I had a duplicate. Now I wish I would have kept it, but pretty much any auto and any cloth I'll keep. Come on, Najee. I don't think I have anything of him's rookie. Legendary. Bo Jackson. Hell yeah.
Are you hot?
No, I feel good, but I'm making a video right now.
It's hot in this house.
Okay. Well, I'm making a video right now, so.
Oh, sorry.
Thanks. Thanks for dropping by.
Can I turn it down?
Whatever. And that was the lovely Miss Haley, everybody. Round of applause. Don't worry, only like 3 people will watch this video.
I didn't realize what you said the first time you said it.
I still don't think she's realized because she keeps talking. It's okay. Well, nice. Rookie of the year. Good looking card. Got 7 more of these. I think about buying some more and doing like a big 10-box break. That would load me up with the Herbie, huh? Big Ben. Okay, playoff ticket. Not really a fan of the playoff tickets, but Whatever. What are you gonna do about it? Marky Mark. And we're just kind of running the same gambit. I mean, it'd be ridiculous to try to make a set to give you all the same cards. Ooh. What is this? Okay, that's... but what is this? I have no idea. What is this called? I like that. And I do have a Derrick Henry collection, but I gave up on just flats of his or base. So that'll make its way in there. Don't know what it is. I have to look that up after the fact. Let me try to read this. So what would it be? It's just a season ticket. Is that cracked ice, I guess? No. No. I don't know. Looks cool. Figure it out later. Alright, give me somebody other than the same 3 people. And we already know one of my, I'll be 1 mem short because I felt it in there, which will make for a good video at a later time. So that's okay. That's how I reel y'all back in. See what I did there? Yeah, these are ugly. Anybody that says they like that, oof. Bad taste. I'd hate to see their interior design of their house. Randall Cobb, good God. Rookie of the year. Man, yeah. And it's all Herbert. Where is the Fields? Give me the Fields. Oh, something big coming. I lied. Just a chain mover. He's more like a lame roofer. Oh, high knees ass. Julio, Joey, Stephon, Power, David Montgomery. Good looking card. I like that. Show somebody else. Okay, here comes the last one we're going to open on camera today. Leo, Bosa, Hefon. Oh, this is the same rundown. And Timmy. Travis. Okay, let's try to. Let's try to do it like that. Okay. It's a wide receiver, Panthers. 21. Nobody good. Okay. Well, that's what we're working with. All right. It's blue. I've yet to ever pull any threads with like a multicolor, but at least that one's blue. I've only ever got white, I think. So that's cool. Alright, well. As far as what I PC'd, man, we kind of got roughed up. For inserts, I mean, decent looking cards, but not of any noteworthy players, we'll say. They might be good players in their own right, but I ain't heard about them, so a couple of them anyways. Well, everybody, put these bad boys up. As you can see, I'm working on another one. I think I got 35 maybe put up in the closet, so we'll work on adding to it. Peace. Got pizza on the way.